Hey, what's up? It's Robert, and I'm here. So I'm just gonna do a quick video about a really old keyboard that I got. It's a Yamaha CP11. It has 4 built-in tones. They all sound really similar though, which is kind of disappointing at some level. So that's no tone selected. Then I go to piano. And it sounds very similar. It's piano 2 apparently. And harpsichord. And it has a tremolo on right now. It has a couple other features. It has a rhythm machine built in, and so you have march, waltz, tango, rumba, disco, rock, swing, and samba. So wait a minute, rhythm. So that's march, and a waltz. So waltz will also be like a 3/4 time, so you can practice like something more like this. And then you go to tango. So I can't play any tango, but like bum bum bum. Rumba, which is cool. I like the added sounds they put into this. So you can do no editing to this, so that's basically it. That's all the tone you can get out of that. And then you can go to disco. Well, first let's go to samba. That's samba, so if you got the chops to play the samba. Swing. Very basic. Rock. So your basic 4/4 beat. And disco. So disco or any kind of like dance music, simple rhythm, and then you have an arpeggio feature as well. One second here, let's just stop this. Tempo, bass, and chord. Rhythm starch. What am I looking for? Arpeggio. Key start. So you can do these kind of cheesy little rhythms. You have just your basic EQ. You have a pitch on here so you can tune it. So here's just middle C. You have tremolo, which is actually a cool feature. I like the tremolo. much all the features. Pitch, tremolos, there's a sustain function. So if you want it to be like an organ. Or if you want it to fade out like a piano. And that's pretty much it. They have the basing chord, the arpeggio, I covered that. There's that rhythm again. The built-in speaker is what you'd expect from a 1980s Yamaha thing. It sounds great with headphones or another speaker, but you know, I wouldn't say that it sounds good without it. Minimum tempo. So I just wanted to do a video talking about this because I'm already sold it. I bought it. It's cool, but I wasn't super into it, so I sold it again to a guy I know, and before I ship it out to him, I was just going to do a quick video on it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. You guys have a nice day. Take care.